Good morning, dear students. Standard 6, History, SS, Chapter 2, On the Trail of the Earliest People. On the Trail of the Earliest People. Who is the earliest people? This is the introduction lecture, and what we are going to study in this chapter. So now we will start earliest people. We know that the earlier human did not live in permanent shelter. They moved from one place to another because they have no enough food and water. So that's why they moved a place to another in search for food and water. The early people basically hunted and gatherers, and they hunted animals, caught fishes, and then gathered fruit, nuts, seeds. Okay? So that's why they have no enough food and water. It's a big kind of reason to move a place to another place. Earliest people protected their bodies by their bodies covering themselves of barks and leaves of trees and animals. So that's why they generally live in cave because they want to protect their bodies. So that's why. So here, earliest people they moved a place to another place. They search for food and water. Sometimes they got of, for example, mango season. They live there. They got easily to mango, but season is removed at that time. What they do that time? So that's why they moved a place to another place. Second, choosing a mate to live with. They got easily that type of place. They have enough food and water. They got easily, and stone tools were two types, core and flat, and they use stone tools, and sometimes they making themselves some protect in their life, and then the early people use the tools mainly made of stone. Tools were also made of wood and stone, wood, then mostly they made by stone. The early human also used to fire in some settlements. Okay? So earliest people lots of struggle, then they got easily food and water. So here, choosing a way to live. So you have a question in your mind. How you know that earliest people they place to another place, move a place another in search for food? How to know that? How to got information that? How you trust it? So it basically question you create in your mind. Archaeological Survey of India, they got easily information about. They know that of past information, and that carbon dating system. That time they know that it's a how year old, so how long, so that type of situation in past situation. So archaeological survey of India, they got information about of earliest people and history information. Okay. Then next, making stone tools. Making stone tools, two type of stone tools. You know that one is that core, and second is so how to core and flat. Earliest people made stone tools mostly, and it made by wood, stone. Okay? If you want to see picture about this stone used as a hammer was held in and the other hand. The second stone was used in strike of flag from the first title, and that required shape was obtained. For example, two stone and then you cross it, so that's why fire, create of fire, and they earliest people made by that type of tools made by wood. Sometimes they use wood and stone. So it's a for hunter and gatherers. So it's a big kind of question. This is an information lecture about on the trade of the earliest people.